Pizza Tower recently got the Noise update, allowing you to play as a fan favorite character, the Noise. In this video, I'll be trying to P-rank all of Area 2, because I already did Area 1 and I didn't think of the video idea until now. Without further ado, here are my P-rank attempts for Area 2.
Pizza Tower! Oh boy, it's the Noise. I don't think this one will be too hard, since I'm kinda good at the game. It's called trial and error, you know? You do it again and again, and eventually, maybe you'll stop crying. Guys, it's the funny secret. Please! Okay. It would have been worth it for the funny if I died. No, I'm not used to how noise controls with this. Okay, never mind. I'm actually great at this game. You'll never see me gay. Oh! Fiddlesticks. It's actually planned. I meant to do that. You know what they say, all toasters toast toast. I think it's the clothes. I think I gotta change out of my clothes. My clothes are too funny right now. I can't stop laughing at them. Okay, I'm feeling better about these. If you've gotten this far into the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It really scubs so blah blah. I have a starving family I need to feed, actually, so it'd be nice if you Scoobied. Right now we actually live in a dumpster, so if you're wondering how I have this TV up here in this dumpster, well, stop. It's actually real. I lied! I don't live in a dumpster! Oh yeah, that was great. How'd you guys like that? Was it better than Nikado Avocado?
Nick, I love your videos.
No! It was a joke, please! Okay. Worth it for the funny. Okay, that was unintentional, but, I meant to do it the entire time. Don't worry. Editor, cut out the part where I said it was unintentional. I beg of you. I won't get hit by that guy next time. Promise. I pinky promise. I'm going... yes. What am I doing? Who's playing this game right now? It's not me, I swear. Someone took my controller and is like fucking playing it for me. I swear. I hate you. I know where you live, and I'll track down your family. Please! Please! Holy shit. Go! That one always messes me up, so it's a good yes that I did, yeah. That was scary. Let's go. Go! Kill him, please. Thank you. Oh, fuck. Don't worry, I'll fix that up in lap 2. Is it over? Am I not a gamer? Oh my god, that was scary. I lied when I said I would fix up what I did in lap 2, by the way, as a joke. You know what they say, I'm just so good at this game. This is why women don't talk to me. I didn't record this one, but I did it, so I did it. Okay, one of the best stages in the whole game? Let's go. I don't know what just happened. That was planned. What buttons am I pressing anymore?
I should parry those guys.
Mamma mia! Oh, you tried to play the noise. You tried to play as the noise, but you couldn't get the P rank on Waste Yard. Thank you so much for playing my game. Has everyone seen that picture of John Cena at the Oscars? Where he's butt booty naked? I need more context to that. Why was he there like that? He didn't get security called on him or anything? This is a naked man. I'm not gonna show the photo. Put that photo away. Stop. I don't want to see that thing, okay? I'm begging you! Okay. Oof. See, that's what was supposed to happen last time. But, something... I am so glad that guy was there specifically for me to kill him. That's the only reason he was there! Holy crap. You don't appreciate John's here? Especially you, ghost of John Pillar! Holy crap! I am the luckiest man alive right now. I think I'm gonna have a heart attack. This one is so easy when you're playing as an orc. The same thing happened again. Nice of the princess to invite us over for a picnic, hey Luigi?
I hope she made lots of spaghetti.
Luigi, look! How would you guys feel watching more videos like this? I honestly need to know because I would like to record more of these Let's Play videos. Because I'm really stalling on that One Night at Flumpty's 3 video. Please, I'm begging you. I have no way to record any of my gameplay except from off of the TV with my phone. It's literally propped up on my Steam Deck case right now. Please, I'm begging you. I want to make content like this. I sneeze and he goes forever everywhere. Where am I? I don't know if this will work. Oh my god. Oh. Your rubber banding doesn't know how to deal with my stupidity. What do you think Peppino's up to while Noise is doing all of this? No, you're joking. You're being real funny right now. Ooh. Oh. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna go P-rank John Gutter.
If humans had tails, we'd probably find unique ways to use them. Oh my god! Oh, subscribe!
A walk of shame all the way back. It's a waste yard. I can't wait to do this again. Let's make some noise! Funny. I get it. I understand. I got that joke, by the way. You know, they should bring back Boom Mario. That was one of my favorite Galaxy 2 power-ups. Like, I mean, look at him. He's so funny looking. Plus, I don't think they really explored the idea fully. It was only used in, like, 3 levels, I think. Oh my god. I am not a legend. I'm actually pretty sad that I'm saying that about Pizza Tower. Go in the door! Holy shit. I don't know why I did... Why? I don't remember how to play this game, actually. How does that count? Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna edit the parts of the video I already have recorded. I'm gonna come back to this a couple hours later because I'm hungry and I don't want to do this right now. All right. Alright, so I'm back. I feel rejuvenated. I think I'm gonna actually do it this time, guys. I don't know what I'm doing. We're off to a good start. I'm so glad you can fly as the Noise. Whoa, what am I doing? Just noticed that Peppino has like a Luigi hat in that TV icon. What a neat reference! Wow, so cool. Good job, McPig. Ah. Yeah, that works. Can you not do that, please? I might have to ban you from my Minecraft server. Why don't I have a P rank yet? You're scaring me. Okay, never mind. It's right there. It was about as present as my father.
Oh, sweet calcium. Hello everybody, my name is Markiplier and welcome to Five Nights at Freddy's. A game you've requested in mass, and I saw Yummy Mash played it and he said it was really good. That's a scary looking bear right there. Hello.
That doesn't make sense. What am I doing with my life? The rubber banding on him is a little bit too much. Rubber and condoms don't even work this well. A chair is a raised surface usually supported by four... That's so fucked. That guy. That guy. What are you doing, man? Stop! Stop! Stop it, please. It hurts too much. What the fuck am I doing? It's alright. Yeah, I was never in any sort of danger, actually, so... What am I doing? Okay, I'm feeling a little more confident in this. I have 10 seconds. Yeah, fuck you, pizza face. Why didn't I get a P? Why didn't I get a P on that one? Why didn't I get a P on that? Did I not meet the score requirement? Why are you not going the way I want you to, mister? Thank you. Don't judge people on YouTube. You'll get canceled. Or do, and then get a huge follower base because you're an asshole. This time, I'm not gonna taunt. Oh, hey, I did it. One more level left. I have never really liked fast food saloon. I know it's heresy, right? Like, come on, why don't you like fast food saloon? Add that one to the tally, guys. Wait, why did I do that? Why did I do that? Ho ho ho. Excuse me, sir. Why are you not grabbing my weenie right now? Oh, why are you not grabbing the weenie? Grab your weenie! Your weenie! Grab your weenie! It's so nice having a change of scenery after only seeing the color blue. Okay, you're telling me if I mess up that, I have to restart the whole level? You know, I think I've gone through all the stages of grief at this point. I've reached acceptance. Oh, that was badass. There's this guy that follows me on Twitter, and he has labeled himself as Daisy's #1 fan. And I'm not gonna follow him back. He honestly scares me. There's just pictures of feet and Daisy. Like, it's a bunch of foot fetish crap and Daisy, too. And there, his thumb, like, I'll put a picture of it on screen when I'm editing this, but his profile picture is of him and Daisy photoshopped together. This guy has a mental disorder. Like, I would do that as a joke, but he's not joking. It's all of his tweets. What even made him follow me? I don't even post anything on Twitter, ever. Just reposts. I don't understand why. Get out of my follow list. Oh. Why did I check my phone? Why did I check my phone? I did the thing in horror movies where they're like, I'm like doing two things at once, and then I go check my phone, and then he comes up behind me and he starts like killing me. You know, you gotta give me credit. For someone who edits on KindMaster, I'd say I'm pretty good. I make some quality videos, I think. Hell, I have a video, that Pikmin video has over 2,000 views, and it has a KindMaster watermark in it. Nobody cares anymore. It used to be like, you know, put on a stick and torched, like a witch trial or something. Whenever you had like a flip-a-clip watermark in your videos. Holy shit. I'm just really cool. It's so Jover. It's so Jover. Noise, You're a really cool character, and I really like you. Oh my god. I'm very lucky to have dodged that bullet.
Gee, I really just dodged a bullet there, didn't I?
Oh, Ho ho, the mistletoe hung where you can see. Somebody waits for you, kiss her once for me. Have a I haven't practiced this one as the noise, please. Thank you. Post in the comments if you think I'll make it there before Pizza Head comes out. Yeah, it comes out. There we go. Finally. There is all the P ranks for the levels of World 2. Now, this video is 1 hour, 7 minutes long. Now I'm gonna go do homework or something. Yeah, you know it, noise.